Faster, Tommy, man. Work that jab. Let's go. Come on, Tommy, gun. 2 minutes. Let's go. Work out. That's right. Always watching. Work out, work out. Ain't nothing for you here. If you ain't back here, don't worry about what's going on back here. Work out. You ain't have to worry about nothing. The guys that are back here are smart for a reason. And only I know what's here.
Go, work out.
Nothing else should matter. Don't ask like, why am I not smart? Oh, walk and don't worry about it. Just work out. We'll give you the turn. Get ready. Come on, hey. Bring it back, bring it right back. You're done? We'll work out. Go, go. 6 fast ones. Give him 6 fast ones. He's not waking up.
Your name is Louie, right? What's your last name?
Mendoza. He had a little mercy right there.
Well, that's his brother. You know what I mean? That's his brother right there. You know?